If you are a house hacker or a multi-generational family, this is the perfect home for you. This is for you. This has got 2 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bedrooms downstairs, 2 bathrooms, and each level has 2 entrances. It's really the house that two's built. It's so perfect if you're looking to live here with your older children or your parents, or maybe rent out the basement as an in-law potential. All of that is available here. Let's go check out this beautiful home at 202 Bedford. Here inside the updated kitchen, you can see it has everything that you would need. A dishwasher, a microwave, obviously a fridge and stove. For the dishes here, when you're washing dishes, you're right by the windows. You can really watch what's going on in the street. There's so many cupboards here. It is a perfect little kitchen for this home. Back here in the large living room, you have a separate entrance in front of me there, so you can enter through this way or go out to the backyard. The backyard is nice and spacious and fenced, but here you have plenty of room to entertain, lots of room for the whole family to sit and enjoy a movie or have a games night. There's even room here for a little home office. There's so much space in the back of this house in this big living room.
Not only is the house spacious, but look at this backyard. You've got so much space back here for everything. You've got a fire pit, and look at this huge shed. You know what I'm thinking back there? That is a great spot to convert into a Jays shed. Long playoff run this year. We're getting there. But there's also so much space back here. It's green, it's nicely shaded. You've got a barbecue and patio set up right over there. Everything you want is right back here in this fully fenced backyard.
This room has a lot of potential. So right now it's being used as the primary suite because they have a bunch of kids, but they have room for a bed, lots of room for a rec room. So you can make this the second bedroom down here, or you could also go ahead and make it into a full rec room where you can have lots of room to entertain, have movies night, watch games, all of those things. But basically this space is so versatile down here. You have the 3-piece washroom, you have a bedroom behind this one, you have this that can be a bedroom or a living room, you have room to put in a kitchen, and you have 2 separate entrances. So no need to worry about egress here because there's an entrance on each side of the basement space. It is such a wonderful spot to be able to do something with, to have your family live with you, or to make a little bit of extra income. One feature that you can't really see, but is a huge feature and a great benefit to this home, is the solar panels. They were installed in 2018, have a contract until 2038, and pay you 31 cents per kilowatt hour. That equates to about $1,200 to $1,500 a year in additional payments towards this house. Some extra money here, which is a really great potential to help you offset the bills. So if you're going to rent out something and have extra earning potential, you can do that until 2038. What a great feature.